Hello lovelies, it's Anett again. Today I'm going to create with scrapbook.com exclusive products. I received some of their own brand products to try and make some projects with them, to test them for you. I put them for now in this box. It is called Clearcraft Storage Box. It has 6 dividers, which you can also take out if needed. The dividers are fixed so they don't move if they are in. That's why I think I will store later paper here. Now there are the new sticker books in here. They come in various color combinations. They are really great with sentiments on the first page, and the other pages are more alphas, with matte finish and some of them with gold, rose gold or with silver foiling. These are the new word dies. They have words like thinking of you, happy birthday, celebrate, Merry Christmas, hello, vacation, memories. And there are also some fun shaped dies, rainbows, snowflake and heart. These are the new alpha dies, 3 types, the tall skinny, classic and the bold basic. They are both capital and small letters as well. And these are all stencils from scrapbook.com. There are a lot and they're all gorgeous. These are 2 stamp sets, the Subway lowercase and the tall skinny alpha stamps. These are the plastic storage envelopes. These are the bigger ones. And I will store the alpha dies in the small ones. You can find all used materials and all these products under my video. These are affiliate links to the products, so if you buy a product through these links, I get a tiny bit of commission. But don't worry, you don't pay more, it is just a little support for me for my creative work. Okay, let's create something. I take a Neenah Solar White flat card front and I use my Pinkfresh Studio ink cubes and the scrapbook.com applicator with the domed foam to blend. I use the aquamarine color. I make just a light blend, a little bit darker on the edges and lighter in the inside. I cut a nice pattern for my background with the Pinkfresh Studio Ornate Floral Die. I use the new mint tape to secure the die. It is so useful and so beautiful, right? I cut a second one to create even more texture. I glue them together and after that I glue it to the ink blended card base. I cut paper stripes with the Pinkfresh Studio die. This is the color block stripes die. And I will color these stripes with the ink cubes, with the light pastel colors. I'm gluing the stripes down next to each other, following the rainbow order. First I cut the keep going sentiment with the tall skinny alpha dies, but I end up not using on this card because I think they are really skinny and they need a plain background to stand out. On this card I will use the 2 other alpha sets, the bold basic and the classic type for the sentiment Hello Bestie. I used the mint tape to secure the dies and it did a great job. I used foam adhesive to give some dimension to the letters and added a lovely bow at the end. I hope you find my work inspiring and come back to watch my next video too. See you soon. Bye!